In this video tutorial you will see easy to crochet 6-petal flower. You can see this flower in yellow color and here how it looks in red color with bead in the center. Each petal of this flower made of strings. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and bead. Begin the work by making a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. We get a ring. Let's begin round 1. It will be a round of single crochet stitches. Chain to bring up the yarn and make 17 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Continue till you will get 17 single crochet stitches. Once we have done 17 single crochet stitches, and to complete this round, insert the hook into the first chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Round 1 is done. Let's begin round 2. It will be a round of petals. Chain to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the stitch that we made a slip stitch into and make a single crochet. And make chain 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over 3 times to work with double treble. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Then chain 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3 and make treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times to work with treble crochet. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the treble crochet like this. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We have made the base for the petal. It is simple and in the same time unusual base for the petal. After we have made the foundation for the petal, make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work to the back side. I will work with first ring that made of treble crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Pull up a loop to the level of the 3 chains. Repeat the same 6 times. The first is done. We need to make 5 more times. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm holding all loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 first loop on the hook. We need to do 6 such stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over the hook, pull through 2 first loops on the hook, 1, repeat 4 more times, 2, 3, 4, and make the last one. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops 6 times. Let's count. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We remain 2 loops on the hook, and also while you turning the work, remove the hook and insert it into these 2 loops from the other side. The first part of the petal is made. Let's make the second one. Now to continue, you just need to repeat the same in this side. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring. 1. The first one is ready. You need to make 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm holding all loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into up to down into the ring, like this. Take the working yarn and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops 7 times. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. We have got an unusual string petal. We skip the first stitch and make single crochet into the second stitch. We have just completed our first petal. It is simple and in the same time unusual petal. This is wrong side. This is right side of the flower. Let's make the base one more time. Chain 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Make double treble. Yarn over the hook 3 times to work with double treble. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook 2 times to work with treble crochet. Insert the hook into 2 loops of double treble, like this. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. The base for the next petal is ready. Then chain 3 and so on. By the end it should be 6 of them. You should continue making petals by yourself. Here how it looks in red color, with bead in the center. It is simple flower with 3D petals. Continue making petals in this way till the end of this round. all 6 petals are ready, let's complete this round together. We skip chain stitch, then insert the hook into the second stitch by making a slip stitch. The round of the petals is made. I have already cut off the yarn. Our 3D petal flower is ready. We have got unusual, in the same time simple 3D 6 petal flower. This is back side and this is front side of the flower. You can add a large bead of the same color or another color to the center, like this. This red flower is exactly the same one as I crocheted in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.